Hey guys, it's Lynn Pratt. I'm going to show you how I took these boring concrete floors and made them look like I put down hardwood on them, and I did it all by just using a few layers of paint. I used Behr's paint from Home Depot, the Low-Lustre Porch and Patio floor paint. I got a light color that I put on first, and the second color was darker, which shows the lines in the wood. I used some great rubber things that made the actual texture of the wood, and last I put the lines in with some acrylic ink inside of a refillable pen. This floor is in the basement of my house, and after they poured the concrete, we sealed it with a clear concrete sealer. In this room, I then put my lighter base coat over the entire floor, just using a roller and putting it on. I then used a 2x6 board to measure out the width of all my planks going all the way across the floor. I also made sure to mark where the end of each board would be so they would show up staggered throughout the floor. After my base coat was completely dry, I would paint on one floor section at a time with the darker color with a brush. I would then take that rubber piece and bring it down the board and make that wood grain texture. Wherever you put it or rock it makes a different texture. I definitely suggest that you try this out on scrap first. I did it on large sheets of cardboard to try it out to make sure I knew exactly what I was doing before I actually painted on my floor. Make sure you start at the corners of the room and work your way to the center, but make sure you can get out your door when you do your last place so that you're not stepping on your wet paint. Once my floor was done and completely dry, I went back with Holbein's acrylic ink and refillable marker and used a long ruler to paint all the lines in between the boards. This gave it that real wood feeling where I could see in between where all of one board ended, making sure to also do all the ends of the boards as well. I hope this tutorial helps if you are looking to do a painted floor of your own. Remember, you can use any two colors to do it to make your floor look any way that you would like. Also, keep in mind that you do want to try out using these painting tools on something else first so you get the hang of them before you do it on your finished floor. Enjoy!